Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This again is Dr. Robinson, and I am going to continue our studies, and we're going to this time talk about discounts. So, discounts. Discount is the amount of money saved from purchasing an item on sale. Discount is the amount subtracted from a price. Note, to find the discount, you multiply the discount rate by the original price. So here we have Tiffany has a computer that she's been dreaming of for 6 months. It's on sale, and the sale ends today. It's 5:55 p.m. The shop closes at 6 p.m. The cost of the computer is $700. The sale price is the computer costs $700. The sale discount is 10%. Jeffrey has $630. And there's Jeffrey down there. You have 5 minutes to figure out if he has enough money to purchase the computer for her. Well, let's see what we got to do. Let's first figure out the discount amount that Jeffrey will get if he purchases the computer. So remember, discount amount is found by taking the price, which is $700, and multiplying it by the discount rate. So $700 times 10%. And that will give us the discounted rate of $70. So the savings would be $70 that they would save off the cost of the computer. Now remember, the computer costs $700. So they're going to save or take off of the price $70. And that'll leave them a price they would have to pay of $630. So hopefully there's no tax they have to worry about. So they would have to pay $630, and that would be the amount of money that Jeffrey happens to have in order to pay for this computer, and Jeffrey has $630. So the answer would be yes, he has enough money to pay for the computer providing there is no tax. So 700 times the 10% gave us a discount of $70. $700 minus the $70 gave us $630. So $630 Jeffrey has is the same, equal to the price that he has to pay for the computer. So the answer is definitely yes. Good going, Jeff. Hopefully she'll like the computer. Check for your understanding. See if you understand so far. Rewind the tape if you need to. If you're uncertain, write down your questions, and I'll be glad to entertain them tomorrow during class. Here's another formula I want to give you. To find the total cost with discount, use this formula. T equal P parenthesis 1 minus R. T standing for the total cost, P standing for the price, the original price, R representing the discount rate. And there's something called the discount amount. That's the amount of money that you save. So if anybody would ask you what's the amount of discount, how much money would you save, that's the discount amount. You would find that by multiplying the price times the rate of the discount. That's the PR. So let's see in this question here. The regular price of a sewing machine is $450. Marlon found one for 20% discount. How much did Marlon pay for the sewing machine? Well, let's see. Let's get our calculator. And let's look and see what we got here. And let's change the size of this. Make that medium. So the original price was $450. So let's type that in our calculator. That's the original price, $450. Times 1 minus the discount rate. That's 20%. That's the discount rate. Second, left parenthesis, close it. And this is going to give us the total cost for the sewing machine. $360 will be the total cost of the sewing machine. So that's how much Marlon's going to have to pay. So this formula works, whereas we could have did it the other way, and let's do it the other way. Just quickly go back and show you the other way, where you have $450 was the cost. And let's clear that, clear everything. $450 was the cost, and we multiply that by the 20% discount that she receives. So she receives 20% off of the machine, and that would give her a savings of $90. So she would save $90. So if the price was $450 and she saves $90, so we subtract $90 from the $450, that should give us another $360 again, which she would have to pay. So let's pull that out so you can see both ways of doing it. Here with the formula, 450 parenthesis 1 minus the discount rate gave us $360, or we do it the regular way. 450 times 20% gave us $90 discount. 450 minus $90 gives us $360. So either way you put it, you're going to get $360 for the amount. So check for your understanding. Try it again. Make sure you can do it both ways, because we'll be asking you that in the class. So if you're unsure, write down your questions, rewatch the video if you need to. This is where we're going to pick up tomorrow. A nice question about Nia has seen the perfect pair of boots. They're on sale for 20% off of the original price of $75. If she has $55, can she afford the boots? So there's the boots, $75, 20% off. Can she afford it? I think Manny likes the boots. Here's another question that I think is pretty good. Autumn wants to know, how do you calculate the discount? Here we have a shirt that sells for $25 is on sale at 1/5 off the price. So how would you calculate the discount? So those are pretty good questions. So take your time, go slow. Again, remember, if you have questions, write them down. I'll be glad to answer them tomorrow. I'll see you in class the next time. Bye-bye.